Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aggy and today we're going to be making rice flour milk cake. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do hit the subscribe button so that anytime you want to refer to this recipe, you're able to refer to it easily. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you are notified. So guys, let's get on with the video. So for this rice flour milk cake, you're going to need 2 cups of rice flour. So if you don't know how to make rice flour or you're unable to get them at the store, I made a video on how to make the rice flour. I'll put it in the link description box down below. You're also going to need 2 eggs, a teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of margarine, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. So the first step is to preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. And then you're going to mix your rice flour with your baking soda, and you're also going to add in your sugar, and then you're just going to mix it very well. And then you're going to set the bowl aside. So in another clean bowl, you're going to add in your eggs and your margarine, and you're just going to give it a good mix. You can do this for about 5 minutes. The next step is to add in your milk and your vanilla essence, and then you're going to give it a good mix. So for the next step is to mix your dry ingredients with your wet ingredients, and you're going to add in your rice flour mixture in 2 batches or 3. Don't just pour in the whole amount of flour. So you're going to divide it either in 2 batches or 3 batches. When you're done, the next step is to grease your baking tin, and then you're going to pour in your butter, and then you're going to shake it a little bit just to remove the excess air bubbles, and then you're going to bake it on 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're going to bake it for 50 to 55 minutes. So after 50 to 55 minutes, your cake is done. And if you want to know if it's ready, you're going to poke it with a knife or a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, your rice flour milk cake is done. So you will let it cool for around 10 minutes, and then you can take it out of the baking tin. So you can see that our rice flour milk cake is done, and it's super delicious. It looks super creamy, and it's so milky, and it's crispy on the outside and very soft on the inside. So you can always serve this with a hot cup of tea or just a cold glass of juice and just enjoy it. It's super delicious. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do hit the subscribe button so that anytime you want to refer to this recipe, it's going to be easier for you to get it. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you're going to be notified. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.